Well, I don't see him yet. He activated the signals. There he is. Excellent. Another south northbound. And he's on the main.
Are y'all going now or what?
Yeah, they'll come. I think they had fun in behind you, so we got it straightened out. I'm gonna get this, probably gonna hold this for northbound or something. Alright, we'll be right here pacing away. Get comfortable, might be a little while. I think they're gonna we'll let us 573 work first. No problem.
Okay, another northbound train. Autoracks with 2 DPUs. Single locomotive on the lead. Right here at Mitchell. So they evidently got their signal problem straightened out pretty quick. From the defect detector, it's only about 6.5, maybe 7 miles from here. And he wasn't moving too fast, so I never heard exactly what approach he got or what signal he got, but he came on through. So that's that, 2 in 1 day. Wow, that's pretty good for me. Well, that's excellent for me, actually. And it's all brought to you via satellite. See right there? There's the satellite dish. Courtesy of CSX and no Amtrak here. Okay, I'm glad they got that signal situation. I can't say anything today. I'm glad they got the signal situation straightened out, and so they got on through. Very good. See y'all later.